guys, welcome back to my channel, Bubbly Bunny. Today, I'm going to share fun facts about something very cool that you need to see first. And ta-da! It's a Rubik's Cube. Actually, this Rubik's Cube is hard for me to solve. Yeah. Are you guys ready to know about this Rubik's Cube? Fun fact number 1. This was invented by Ernő Rubik in 1974. That was even before my parents were born. Fun fact number 2. Billions of combinations. There are more than 43 billion combinations. It's like having a zillion ice cream flavors to choose from. Fun fact number 3. The world record is crazy fast. Guess how fast someone solved a Rubik's Cube? Only 3.47 seconds. How crazy is that? It's like saying abracadabra and it's done. It's in the museum. It's in the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. It's like a puzzle superstar. Fun fact number 5. People solve it blindfolded. Whoa, that's cool, right? And with heat. What? That's crazy, actually. People are like puzzle magicians. Fun fact number 6. Guess what? Over 350 million Rubik's Cubes were sold around the world. Fact number 7. No way! It's been to space. Wow, that's so cool, right? In 1981, one of the astronauts took this Rubik's Cube to space. I wonder if they solved this Rubik's Cube floating. That's it for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Bubbly Bunny. Till we meet next time, try solving one. Bye!